I've been flying the Avatar HD Walksnail. I've been flying Walksnail for the last couple of days, and the Walksnail Avatar HD Pro kit, man, that thing is amazing. Walksnail system is a very low latency link, and with Walksnail coming from analog, you feel kind of at home, especially now that they have the 540 low band mode. The 540 low band mode is basically a solid link with low latency. The low consistent latency is what gives you that locked in feel, and for us analog pilots, man, that's really important. That low consistent latency mode, race mode, that just released is definitely the closest I can get to the feel of analog. I was glad that I chose Walksnail, because with Walksnail, that system is actually pretty close to analog. The way it breaks up, it's not sort of a laggy, stuttering feel. You just start to see a slightly lower resolution. first run in that 540p mode, yeah, I just mind blown.